Hey guys, welcome back to Boost Hunter Garage. Today we're gonna get back working on Slampiece again here. I want to start tearing down kind of on the front end here, get the intercooler out, radiator out, and basically just keep working our way back across the engine, getting rid of stuff that we're not going to be using anymore. I was thinking I'll probably got some red electrical tape. I'm just going to mark lots of the wires that we're not going to need, those kind of things. So once I get torn back, I can kind of peel those back, get rid of that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'll just kind of show you where we're at right now. So as you can see, I got the truck set up on these blocks I made, and we got the boys here with me in the garage. We got Hemi and we got Buck here. And yeah, so he got it up on the blocks. It's actually sitting a lot higher than I thought I was going to. Make it a little easier though to work underneath it, work around it. Kind of didn't think this through though. I maybe should have took the hood off before, because now I'm thinking I should not. We're gonna be doing a bunch in the engine bay here. But yeah, so just thinking, start kind of tearing out some of this, get the AC back, and yeah, we'll just kind of start cleaning things up in here. And yeah, kind of figure out what I want to do with this engine. I would really like to push it back as much as possible, just for weight transfer, and to get the shifter kind of farther back and next to me, which I think I'll be able to run a shorter shifter and hopefully be able to shift a lot faster. But we got to kind of see what's in the way and how much work it'd be to do that. So I'll get it set up here and start wrenching.
My time, don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier. Waste my time, don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier.
Alright, so I'm sure you've seen in the video there that I was kind of struggling trying to get the intercooler out. Well, it is my first time doing it, and I definitely made a rookie mistake. And in thinking that I could just pull the intercooler out without removing the radiator yet, I was maybe going to leave that for tonight just because I didn't feel like doing it yet. But, so yeah, I'll show you where I kind of screwed up. So it was right down here that I had the screw up. So as you can see, you can't pull it past, and it's kind of hard to see probably on camera. But anyway, so I believe you have to take the radiator out to get that out. I don't see how else you would. And I need to take it out anyways. I just didn't want to deal with the mess tonight. But might do that. If not, I'll just keep picking away and pull anything else off that we don't need in this front end here. So we'll get set back up here. Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick little update since I last left off. Not fully sure what all I got caught on camera, but I, as you can see, got the core support taken off. All the headlight kind of wiring and stuff that was wrapped up in here is all the way taken out back over to here. And also I end up draining the radiator, as you can kind of see the remnants of it there. So now just gonna pull the radiator out and get this intercooler out and probably get the AC ripped out here. guys. Finally got the radiator out. Of course, as I tried to pick it out, there was more coolant that decided to come out, so I just tipped it up for a bit and got her drained out there. And then once we got that pulled out, got the intercooler pulled out, AC full delete because race truck. There we go, all the pieces there. Got the condenser right off. And I might regret that later, but we'll deal with that then. So yeah, making some progress. Kind of show you this radiator was pretty beat up the front. I guess isn't overly bad, but flip it over. I don't know if you can see that well on camera, but I guess, yeah. She's had better days. So definitely be getting a new one for when this truck is done. All right, guys, I think that's where I'm gonna end this one off. Keep following along with this build. So subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.